fundamental to every judicial system. And by judicial, I mean the whole thing. I mean the process of investigation, trial, sentencing. I'm talking about the whole system, okay? Fundamental to any system in civilized society is the integrity of it. And integrity is a word that is abused, is greatly abused. But integrity means that you look at it from your point of view, your cultural and your religious background. I look at it from my cultural, personal, and religious background. But we both see the same. Our view of it does not depend on whether I'm Christian or Buddhist or Muslim or whether I'm in the US or whether I'm in New Delhi. Essential to that is transparency. Essential to that is the ability to do checks and balances. So yes, there has to be a level of independence. Now, you see, where the concept gets muddled up is the idea of, well, there has to be independence, so that's not my problem. In other words, I'm going to wash my hands from that because that prosecutor is independent from me and I'm a judge. Well, but I'm in charge of integrity in the courtroom. You see? So it's important to me to see that what happens in my courtroom is done with respect to the rights of the individual that are in court. Now, respect for rights goes both ways. Goes to the respect of the rights of the government and the respect of the rights of the accused. Because after all, who does the government represent? It represents all of us, well, not me, because I'm not a Malay citizen, but it represents the people of the country. You see? So, again, going back to what I said earlier, it is a work in progress. So, for example, you always have to be making adjustments. You always have to be looking at what you're doing to make sure that you don't become a victim of the rules, because the rules are meant to serve you. You see? So, for example, think of the investigators and prosecutors. You see, they should have collaboration. Investigator should not just go on his own and work on something and then say, here, Mr. Prosecutor, go take it to court. It doesn't work that way. It breeds inefficiencies in the system. So between prosecutors and investigators, it's essential that there be collaboration.